How to create color coded dropdown in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Excel or your Google spreadsheet. The process is just the same. Now I will create a dropdown for gender. Now in order to create a dropdown menu for gender, simply select these these rows, and then go to data. Now go to data validation. After that, this tab will appear. Now go to add rule, and then from here you will be able to choose your color of the drop down. As you can see now, my this gender drop down color has been changed to black. Now in order to add items to it, simply write the data or the values, then add another value. I have used female, male, and then others. So after that, simply select done. And now as you can see, I have this drag down button, and there are three different three different options to choose. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.